How are things with you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How may I help you?
I need to make a deposit.
Will you be depositing cash or a check?
I will be depositing cash.
How much would you like to deposit?
It's going to be $300.
What account will you like to deposit that into?
Could you deposit that into my checking account, please?
Can I do anything else for you today?
That'll be all. Thank you very much. Do you have any other questions?
I want to know about fees.
Which fees?
Overdraft fees.
You will be required to pay a small fee for every time you overdraft.
How much is the fee?
You'll have to pay $25 every time you overdraft.
That's a small fee.
It should stop you from overdrafting.
You would think it would, but it most likely won't.
Can I help you with anything else?
That's it for today. Thank you. How can I help you?
I want to open another account.
What kind would you like to open?
I would like to open a savings account.
Do you already have an account with us?
I have another savings account open already.
Do you want to transfer money from that account?
I would like to do that.
How much?
I only want to transfer $100.
It'll only take me a minute to complete your transaction.
Great, thank you very much. How are you today?
Very well.
Do you need help with something?
I need to make a transfer.
What account would you like to transfer the money from?
I want to transfer money from my savings account.
Where do you want the money to go?
I want the money to be transferred into my checking account.
How much money are you going to transfer today?
$200 will be fine.
Is that all I can do for you today?
I won't be needing anything else.
What can I do for you today?
I have an issue.
What is your problem?
There were charges on my debit card that I never made.
Do you have a statement for your debit card?
I do.
Which charges are you talking about?
It's the last 4 charges.
We are going to have to do an investigation.
Is that going to take long?
I'm not sure, but in the meantime, we will freeze these charges.
That's wonderful. Thank you. You owe $36.78.
Here's my Visa card.
I'm sorry, but your card isn't working.
What's the problem?
The machine says your card was declined.
It was?
Do you have another card?
That's my only one.
Maybe you can just pay in cash.
No cash today.
I guess you won't be able to purchase these items today.
I'll come tomorrow with cash.